Hello and welcome. Let us look at this question that came in the year 2019 and is related to the topic environmental organizations. The question is, consider the following statements. Under Ramsar Convention, it is mandatory on the part of the Government of India to protect and conserve all the wetlands in the territory of India. Number 2, the Wetland Conservation and Management Rules 2010 were framed by the Government of India based on the recommendations of Ramsar Convention. And number 3, the Wetlands Conservation and Management Rules 2010 also encompass the drainage area or catchment areas of the wetlands as determined by the authority. Now, as far as wetlands are concerned, so this Ramsar Convention was signed in the year 1971 in Ramsar, which is a city in Iran, and this convention basically talks about the protection of the wetlands or wetlands by all contracting parties, whether the wetlands are in the list or not in the list. So basically all the contracting parties that are basically governments, they should protect the wetlands, but it is not mandatory on the part of Government of India or in any government to protect or conserve all the wetlands. So first statement is incorrect. As far as second statement is concerned, so these rules were formed by the Government of India, but not on the recommendations of Ramsar Convention, but these rules were formed to protect and conserve the wetland areas. And as far as this third statement is concerned, so these rules, they basically define that what are wetlands. As per this rule, wetlands are basically those areas that are marshes, fan, drainage area or catchment area that during low tide the depth should not exceed 6 meters. This is mentioned in the Wetland Conservation and Management Rules 2010. So under these rules, whether these criteria or any drainage area or catchment area that is to be determined by the authority are to be protected by the government. Also, there was one question related to wetland last year in 2023, that if rainforests are the lungs of the ecosystem, then wetlands are the kidneys of the ecosystem. Why? So basically these wetland areas, the heavy metals that are present in the water or in the soil, they are basically trapped in these wetlands, or they are filtered in the wetlands. Hence, they are known as kidneys of the environment. So this was a statement in that question, that heavy metals are filtered. So our answer for this question will be C3 only. Thank you.